Well, good morning. An absolute cracking day here on the Gold Coast, and what better way to enjoy it than to take out this newly listed 2006 Riviera M400 Sports Cruiser, and a very special one of that. I'm going to take you for a bit of a ride. We're going to go into the Broadwater, we're going to drop the anchor, and I'm going to show you through the features of this boat and why it's very special and different to any other boat on the market. Come along for a ride. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's take a closer look at this 2006 M400 Sports Cruiser. So we've had a beautiful run over here to South Stradbroke Island. I've dropped the anchor just off the beach here with the help of my chain counter on the dash. As you can see, I've put 20 meters of chain out for the appropriate depth we're sitting in. Now that's the best peace of mind when you've got your family and your friends on board to know how many meters of chain you've got out the front. Now if you're in the market for an M400 and you've got a keen eye, you'll notice this dash doesn't look like any other M400. That's because in 2019 this boat had a major refit to the engines as well as to the dash. She was fitted with Mercury 8.2 litre 430 horsepower engines with two brand new Bravo 3 drives out the back. Now with that package they paired it with Simrad electronics on the dash, so chart plotter, depth sounder. You've also got a digital vessel view for your engine monitoring. Of course you've got electronic controls here. They refitted the whole dash to make it look really modern. So although it's a 2006, this boat looks really modern, really fresh, and they've done an excellent job. The M400 is renowned for the cockpit layout with plenty of seating for family and friends, but also enough room to walk through without interrupting anyone sitting at the table. So now as we walk down into the cabin, that's when you really appreciate the spacious design of this boat over any other 40-foot sports cruiser. With centre access stairs, you've got a well-equipped galley on the port side. You've got a saloon lounge on the starboard side, and you'll notice there's no dinette table here. The dinette table's up in the cockpit because most of our dining is done up there and your relaxing's done down here. What they have fitted is a double-sided ottoman, so you've got a coffee table on top and flip it over and you've got a cushion on the other side. Now behind me is the forward cabin. That's your master cabin with an island bed and two closing doors. You've got a head on the port side and then a guest cabin down the aft, which is fitted with a double bed and a single. Now this has to be one of the cleanest engine rooms I've seen in a little while on M400 Sports Cruisers, and that's because in 2019 she had a full engine repower with two new Mercruiser 8.2 litre engines, 430 horsepower, paired with Bravo 3 drives out the back and two new transom assemblies. Well, that concludes this video walkthrough on the newly listed 2006 Riviera M400 Sports Cruiser. I've just picked the anchor up, it's time to head home. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. We've enjoyed making it as it's a beautiful day out here on the Broadwater. Please click the link below if you want more information on this particular boat or want to make an inquiry to have a look at it in person. My name's Sam Phillips from Marine Jones, Riviera and Belize, and if you don't already know, we've moved offices right next door to the Boatworks in the North Yard. We look forward to welcoming you there and showing off our new precinct. I'll see you on the next video.